Hi guys! Today I'm going to teach you how to fully activate your Kinemaster. Take note, not just to remove the watermark of Kinemaster but to fully activate. So stay tuned and do not skip. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Architect Ore and this is my vlog. So today I'm going to teach you how to not just remove the watermark on your Kinemaster app but to fully activate like a crack app. If you're familiar with the software in the desktop, all those softwares that had been cracked that you are been using like a license application, it's just the same. So I'll teach you how to do that. So before we proceed to the tutorial, I would like you to subscribe and hit the like button and that notification bell so that you will be updated on my future content and my future videos and tutorials. And without any further ado, let's begin the tutorial. Okay, so I put the screen recording on the left side of my video so that you can see what I'm doing, and you just follow. Okay, so first I would like you to see my screen, so available Kinemaster. So now what I will do is I will download the Kinemaster. This is the free version of Google Play. So we will type in Kinemaster and there it is. This is the free, but the one with the watermark. We just installed this one, okay? I would like to emphasize to you that the one we are doing right now is not just removing the watermark. We are doing fully activated Kinemaster. Okay, so this will be helpful to those aspiring YouTuber, aspiring blogger like me, for those who are just started their blogging career. And now see, we have now the Kinemaster that is available in Google Play, Google App Store. So just click this one. Okay, so it will be upside down in the screen, so never mind. Okay, so we just do this like this, then start. Okay, I would just like to see that there's no way that you can remove the watermark here. I tried all the suggestions that have been watched on YouTube. It's not working on me, so it's my dilemma, no? Okay, so see this one. I will put some videos like this. Maybe I just put some random pictures, and then see, as you can see, there is this made with Kinemaster watermark above the video, top right. So before you can remove this, you have to pay something like 279 pesos monthly and 7-day free trial. Then they will ask you to pay 1,650 for a year. So it's really costly, especially for us who are just starting our career here in YouTube. So I'll teach you how you can remove this watermark. Okay, but take note, not just to remove the watermark but to fully activate this one. So meaning you can access all those features that the Kinemaster have been requiring you to pay, like they're requiring you to buy their asset store. So now we will begin. So but before that, I would like to remind you that you have to subscribe down on my subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my future videos related to this one, so that I can teach you all the knowledge that have been learned in the YouTube industry, and based on my researches. So okay, now what we're going to do is we will uninstall again this app. Okay, I just showed you that this kind of all those kind of methods that they have been discussing, or they have been teaching us on YouTube using this app came from the Google Play, doesn't work. Okay, so now I'll teach you what will work, 100% work, and I've already did this, so this is 100% sure that will work to you also, as long as you're an Android user. Sorry, this method, this tutorial is for Android phone user only. So if you're an iOS user, I don't know, maybe some other time I will make a video on how to activate this kind of app in your OS. But now this one I'm teaching you is only applicable for the Android phone users. So now I will uninstall this application. Okay, done. So what we're going to do, follow my steps, okay? Don't get lost. If you're lost, just replay the video. So now I will search in my Google search, okay? Type in AC Market. Market. AC Market, okay? Choose that top the top most suggested website, the acmarket.net, okay? acmarket.net. Click this one. Okay, just wait. Now click that download now. Okay, download now. And then we're just going to wait. Just click OK, and then it will download. Again, I will remind you to click that subscribe button and share this video if you liked it. If you learned from it, share this to other person. Share this to your co-YouTuber. Share this to someone who want to be a vlogger. So now it's finished. Oh yeah. Now we click that downloaded app. Then it will look like this. So just go to settings, because by default Google is hindering this kind of apps. Okay, they won't allow you to install it directly. So they will ask you if you really want to install. So don't get afraid. Just click the settings, then click that right button, that one like a switch. So after clicking that, it will look like this. Then just go back. After going back, just click that install button. Sorry if my English is not that fluent, okay? I'm trying, because I know there will be a foreigner or some other people outside the Philippines, so I'm trying it so hard. Okay, now we click open. So this is the AC Market. Now I'm introducing to you the AC Market, okay? AC Market have all the apps, all the cracked apps, fully activated, all the mods, those apps that they have been requiring you to pay, requiring you to input your credit card, your debit card, so that you get charged annually, monthly. This app, all those kind of things, it's already available here. It's already cracked. Okay, it's already activated, technically licensed, but you know how it works. So just click the OK, allow. Depends on the cell phone, huh? Depends on the kind of phone you are having, because but as long as it is Android, it will work. Okay, so allow. After allowing this one, it will launch. So this is how it looks like. So now we will search to this one, search bar, Kinemaster. Okay, click this suggested one, or you can just enter whatever, wherever you are convenient. Then in that left side, you see that numbers 4.11, 6.16, 0.1437, etc. Then click that one, this one. Choose that GP, that 4.11.16, 1.14372.GP. Click this one, then click that 74.42 MB. This means we want to download it. Okay, download. Just click this free download. Okay, it will not automatically download. You have to click it. Click. So just wait. Now it's done. You just have to go to your file manager. Okay, whatever phone, I know there's a file manager. You just have to go there. Click that home, then get to file manager. Now you just have to click this one, the latest. After sorting your download by date, newest on top, you just have to click this topmost suggested app, APK file. Okay, suggested file. Just have to click this one. Then it will look like this. Just the same thing with what happened when we installed the AC Market. Just have to click the setting. Click that right switch to allow, then go back, then click install. Okay, so while waiting, I want to repeat again, you have to subscribe and click that bell button below so that you will be updated on my future videos and content and my tutorials. Whatever I want to share with you, you will be notified. So make sure you click that button and then share this video if this is helpful to you. Share this video to your co-YouTuber, co-vlogger, friends, whoever needs it. Share this video and click that like button also, and comment down below whatever you want to know. If there's something you want me to teach you, to share with you, just comment down below. And okay, now it's done, so just have to open it, then the magic is done. Now you have the fully activated, unlocked, what do you call this, licensed Kinemaster. So just have to allow all those things they're asking you, then scroll, then start. Okay, start. Now what we did a while ago, there's a watermark on the top right. So again, we will choose this one, this file. As you can see, now there's no watermark, and all those assets, for example, I want to put some audio, music assets. Okay, get music. All those assets is available. You can download it directly. Download. Install. It will not ask you to pay anything. It will not ask you to. It will not charge you. You don't have to put your credit card number. You don't have to put your debit card number. Whatever. It's free. Okay, legally free. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Same with the Kinemaster trial version or the free version. It's available. You can export it to 144p QHD and frame rate 30, and you can the bitrate you can increase, you can lower, whatever, and export directly, share it to YouTube or your Facebook or your Instagram, whatever. So yeah, that's all. So if this video is helpful to you, if this video gives you the information you want, make sure you subscribe and click that bell button so you will be notified in my future contents. Make sure you subscribe, okay? And share this video to your friends. Share this video to your co-vlogger, co-YouTuber. And yeah, that's all. And again, hope to see you next time. This is Architect Ore saying goodbye and have a nice day.